how to fix CS2 lagging, stuttering and jittering. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix lagging, stuttering and jittering issues in CS2. So let's get started. A lot of players have been complaining about stutters recently, and one of the main causes is a corrupted DirectX shader cache. Here's how to fix it. First, go to your Windows search bar and type in delete temporary files. Click on the option that appears. Once you're in the settings window, look for temporary files and click on it. Now, wait a few seconds while Windows loads all your temporary files. After it loads, scroll down until you find the option called DirectX Shader Cache. This cache is created by games like CS2 to help load maps and assets faster. But sometimes it can get corrupted, and that's what causes stuttering during gameplay. So, check the box next to DirectX Shader Cache and then click on Remove Files. It'll only take a few seconds to clear. Once it's done, restart your game, and you should notice that CS2 feels a lot smoother without random stutters. If this tip helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more gaming fixes and CS2 tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.